Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I got the new motor for the 2005 Yamaha TTR-90E. Came in that box. So let's go ahead and set it up on the bench and unbox it and see how it looks. I need to build a bigger workbench since moving here. I just don't have as much space. So we'll go ahead and open this up on the back of my quad. Seems packaged pretty well. So let's go ahead and cut it open and see how it looks. Box doesn't look damaged. I was a little worried about that. Yeah, it's some strong tape. Oh wow. It's like a box inside a box. Wow, that is packaged really well. I'm gonna set this on the ground really quick. Yeah, the guy on eBay said he packaged his stuff really well, and this is pretty good. Definitely gonna save this box for that old motor over there. I'll go ahead and unwrap all this and pull it out and take a look at it. All right, let's go ahead and unwrap this plastic and see how it looks. It's like double wrapped. Oh, let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. So when you're looking at a motor, you want to look at side cases. There's some wear on this, but or let's look on the shift side. Okay, it's a little dirty, but it is a used one. Overall, not bad. Compared to this one, they look about the same. This one's definitely more dirty, but the wear on the side cases is about the same. Should we do a compression test on it, or should we just send it? Maybe I can pull up the ad. We can look at it. Just 1 second. Put you back up on the tripod. Yeah, this overall looks like it's in a lot better shape. These plugs and everything look good. Almost look new. It's for the starter. Bottom of the case looks good. There's the drain plug. Looks good. Oh, it's got a nick in it. Yeah, definitely hit something right here. I'm not complaining, I'm just showing you guys. There's some rust on the cylinder. Might just hit that with some Rust-Oleum or something, try to stop the rust, but yeah, this thing's definitely been ridden on the sand or something. Huh. Wish there was a way to just turn it over. See if we could feel the compression, if it feels good. I'll read you guys the ad. Hold on a second. So this is what the ad says. 2005 Yamaha TTR-90 stock OEM complete. Great running engine, motor. Kind of an interesting title. Everything you see is included. Parts are OEM. Engine is in great running condition. I rode the bike myself. Has great compression. Tranny works great. Ready to drop and install. Drain bolt and threads in great shape. Parts are from a 2005 TTR-90 that I just took apart. The bike was in good running condition. And then it just says he has other TTR parts on his eBay. I think it'll work for what we're going to use it for. I mean, I'm not really concerned with the rust on the cylinder. I want to look at this at the head really quick. Because the other one, I thought the bottom of the head was broken, but we'll see. Pull this. No, that's how it's supposed to be. Dang, these crusty. I'll definitely be reusing that. Somebody rode this in like salt water or something. The starter's all crusty. I might swap the other starter out of that motor into this. Interesting. Must have been ridden on the beach or something. It came from like Southern California on the coast, it looked like. Yeah, this side's pretty chewed up too. I think somebody bounced this thing off some rocks. Let's see if it has any oil in it. I'm just curious. I mean, I doubt it does, but maybe that's why he triple bagged it. Looks like it does have oil in it. Rag. So they didn't drain the oil out of it. I'm assuming it's a guy, it could be a girl. So on engines that have been ridden in the sand or the dunes, not that this is a bike made for that, but people do it. You look in your fill for your oil. I don't see any sand right there. Oh no, he drained the oil. Cool. Cool. Well, just want to look at one other thing. So this case looks like either Honda Bond or Yamaha Bond. Let's see if this other one has that, because I don't remember seeing it. Oh, it does. Yeah, this one looks a lot rougher. So B305. I think that's the year. Yeah. So that's 1664. Let's see what this one is. 112250. Huh. This was built later than that one. That's interesting. That's a 164,040. I don't know if that means anything, but or if that's just the serial number, but and that's I don't know. All right, well, I'm gonna put this back in the box, and still waiting on some parts for this. I ordered new front and rear tires. What else did I order for it? I think I'm gonna order a battery, even though it doesn't really need electric start. It'd probably be nice to have. What else did I order? That's it for this. I ordered a cam chain tension. I ordered a cam chain tensioner for this. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for watching.